Cat wheel loader cutting edges are designed for optimal protection and performance for your job site needs. With Cat cutting edges, you can help lengthen the lifespan of your base edge, increase bucket capacity, and improve efficiency. Caterpillar offers a variety of cutting-edge options, so you can find the best solution for your bucket and application. These options include standard and heavy-duty thicknesses, along with Cat abrasion-resistant material or ARM cutting edges, and Cat single-life cutting edges. Let's start with the standard cutting edge for wheel loaders, which is designed for low to medium impact, low abrasion conditions and applications. These cutting edges are made with through-hardened DH2 material to meet the needs of your operation. They are also designed to be reversible, to provide a second life after the front of the edge wears out. Remember to monitor the wear pattern and flip the edges to achieve the best value. Next, let's look at the heavy-duty cutting edge, which is ideal for medium impact and medium abrasion materials. This edge is also made with through-hardened DH2 steel and is a thicker option for extended wear life. All of the additional material is wear material, so you will get more value for your money. We also offer an abrasion-resistant material cutting edge, also called ARM, that we recommend for high-abrasion, low-impact materials such as sand or gravel. Cat ARM provides a higher level of protection in very abrasive conditions. ARM is a mixture of extremely hard tungsten carbide particles and weld material that is bonded to the cutting edges. In high abrasion, low to moderate impact applications, the addition of ARM can extend the life of the wear part 3 to 5 times. Caterpillar offers ARM edges with reversible double bevel options. For a lower cost cutting edge option, we offer Cat single life cutting edges. These edges eliminate the need for flipping or rotating, saving time spent monitoring wear and the cost of replacing hardware when you flip an edge. Although they are made from the same through-hardened DH2 steel as traditional edges, single-life edges are thicker yet lighter weight. They also offer roughly the same or better wear life as traditional cutting edges, but at a lower price point. Please note that single-life cutting edges are only available for medium wheel loaders from $950 to $980. In addition to the 4 types of cutting edges we've outlined, we also offer half arrow and top cover options that help provide enhanced protection to the base edge. These can increase the life of your edge and enhance bucket capacity. Our half arrow bolt-on cutting edge protects the front and bottom of your base edge and provides smooth material transition into the bucket. This lightweight yet durable design is ideal for large buckets and more aggressive applications. When used with half arrows, our top covers protect the bevel and top of your base edge. These two components work together as a system to fully protect your base edge investment. Because we want you to get the most from your cutting edges, here are a few tips for extending wear life. Wear typically occurs at a slight angle, so it's important to monitor wear from a side view. When you notice that a cutting edge is wearing into the bolt heads or the front bolt of the end bit, simply flip your cutting edges and end bits to help maximize the system's wear life. Be sure to replace all hardware every time you flip an edge. Ready to lower costs and move more material with Cat wheel loader cutting edges? Contact your dealer for replacement parts, wear inspections on your cutting edges, and for additional guidance on when to flip an edge. You can also buy parts directly at parts.cat.com.